The idiom to make up has at least three different meanings. First, it can mean to invent, for example, a story. The story is not true, it did not really happen, it came from my imagination, I made it up. Second, makeup is the stuff women put on their faces. You know, eyeliner, eyeshadow, lipstick and so on. And if a woman makes herself up, it means that she puts her makeup on. Third, suppose two friends have an argument. They part feeling angry with each other, but later they decide to forget their argument and to become friends again. We say that they have made up. Here is a summary of the latest developments in our soap opera, Podcast People. Joanne is making herself up. She carefully puts on her eyeshadow, powder and lipstick. Kevin, her boyfriend, is suspicious. Joanne does not usually do her makeup so carefully. Joanne tells him that she has an important meeting at work and needs to look her best. But Kevin doesn't believe her. He thinks she is making up the story about the important meeting and that she is secretly meeting someone else. They have a row and Joanne storms out, slamming the door behind her. The next day, Kevin feels lousy about the things he said to Joanne. He rings to say he is sorry. She is sorry too. So they kiss and make up. Beautiful, isn't it? Goodbye.